Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
In our last video, we have discussed exercise A to F. Now we will continue with exercise G to J. Exercise G. Now we will discuss animal names. Look at these spellings. You will see that these words are jumbled. And now you have to rearrange these words and write the correct एनिमल नेम। इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको ये जम्बल्ड वर्ड्स सारे देखने हैं और इन पिक्चर्स के अनुसार आपको यहाँ पे सही जानवरों के नाम लिखने हैं। नंबर 1, RAPTOR। इस अक्षर का कोई मतलब नहीं निकलता है। अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर फर्स्ट पिक्चर हमको अपना वर्ड बनाना है। Which bird is this? Yes, parrot. So we will write here PARROT, parrot. OXF. There is no meaning of this word, so we will rearrange this word and make a new word. FOX. Fox is an animal. Number 3, KESAN. We will arrange this word so it will be SNAKE, snake. Number 4, ORCW. Let's arrange these letters. It will be CROW, crow. Number 5, FBAUFOL. Which animal is this? Buffalo. BUFFALO, buffalo. Exercise H. Here we have to write 2 sentences about the given pictures. Number 1, which picture is this? This is a dog. Yes. Here we will write dog guard our house and it is a pet animal. Number 2, which picture is this? This is a cow. Yes. Cow is a domestic animal and it gives us milk. Exercise I. Pronunciation consonant sounds. Look at the words with the same consonant sound. Listen carefully and repeat the words after your teacher. ये सारे वर्ड्स कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स हैं। आपको इनको अच्छे से देखना है, सुनना है और मेरे पीछे रिपीट करना है। RAT, rat. REST, rest. RUG, rug. RUN, run. Now Q. QUEEN, queen. QUILL, quill. QUICK, quick. QUIET, quite. Then T. TENT, tent. TALE, tail. TIE, tie. TAPE, tape. Now V. VAN, van. VEST, vest. VANILLA, vanilla. VINE, wine. Now W. W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-E-L-L, well. W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-I-T, wait. Now Y. Y-A-K, yak. Y-O-L-K, yolk. Y-E-N, yen. Y-E-S, yes. Last Z. Z-O-O, zoo. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z-I-P, zip. Z-E-N, zen. Now here you have to write consonant sounds of these words. N, P, S.
Exercise J, values of life. Okay students, first tell me what you learned from this chapter Rover and Pepper. आपने इस चैप्टर में से क्या सीखा? That animals can be our best friends. We should not hurt them. Animals also need love and care. We must not beat them or tease them like us. Animals also get hurt. In this exercise, look all these pictures. You have to tick the ones that are correct and cross the ones that are wrong. In this first picture, the boy is pulling cat's tail. Do you think this is a right action? No, we should not hurt animals, so we will cross it. Second picture, they both are taking care of their animals. So this is a good habit. We will take it. Third picture, the boy is pulling his belt. No, we should not tease animals like this. So we will cross it. Fourth picture, a girl is feeding the puppy. Yes, we should take care of our pets. So we will take it. Last picture, this girl is taking care all of his pets. So this is very good habit. We will take it. Students, you know that these exercises you have to write in your textbook and submit the same to your teacher.